May, what is it, the 4th?
Yep.
May 4th, 2020. Jeremy and I are in here in the greenhouse. Just got a package in the mail. Ordered this on eBay last week. This is a lemon verbena plant. My lemon verbena died on me last year. So we got a new one. We're looking forward, we're going to propagate this out and grow a bunch of this out this year so we have lemon verbena tea again. Just want to say I'll try and dig up the link of the seller on eBay, but this person did a really nice job of packing this plant in. It was in a bag in the box. The bag was taped into the box so it wouldn't bounce around. It was wrapped up nice, and it's a nice size cutting. I'm very pleased with this eBay seller. Because of that, I'm going to share her link. So thank you to the eBay seller. I don't have it on the top of my head at the moment, but I just thought I would share. And we're going to get this transplanted into a new pot with some Coast of Maine potting soil and get it cranking so we can propagate. Okay, so the seller is LLAN09, LLAN09. So thank you, eBay seller LLAN09. Excellent packing, shipping, timely, good price. Really appreciate it. So a nice strong root system on this as well. This is definitely one of the better lemon verbena plants I've ordered for sure. I've had them show up where they're barely rooted and not in great shape, and then you got to really care for them. This one should blow up right into the pot very quickly, especially in the nice warm greenhouse environment. Alright, so lemon verbena is in its new pot, watered in Coast of Maine potting mix soil, which if you haven't tried Coast of Maine potting soil, this stuff is absolutely amazing. And should start growing up and blowing up very quickly. And we'll start taking cuttings and propagating in the next week or two probably. So very exciting. Thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network.